want to grow a YouTube channel but don't know where to start, I have got you. Welcome to today's video. Hi, welcome to today's video. Want to grow a YouTube channel but don't know where to start? I got you. I am IB, the creator of Monetize with IB, and I teach beginners how to grow, stay consistent, make their YouTube channel stand out in 2025. You see, every week I drop easy to follow tutorials on how to start your channel, grow your subscribers, beat the algorithm, and turn your videos into income. If you have ever felt stuck, confused, overwhelmed by YouTube, this is the place for you. Together, hit the subscribe button and let's go together. Join the family, drop a comment, and don't forget to turn on the bell so that you never miss a tip. Yes, let's monetize your creativity together. Thanks for watching. Bye.